What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness Edition with only 2,500 miles. This car is super clean in and out. We have the super rare blue on the exterior with our classic gray interior as well. We have heated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, some fresh Yokohama tires as well, all-terrain, roof racks, self-closing and opening trunk. We have remote opening trunk on the key fob as well, your classic lock and unlock, and your updated Subaru key fob as well. So let's go ahead and wait for a vehicle to be facing us again, take a look at the interior, start it up, give you guys a quick walk around and see what all we can find that is wrong and not in working function if we do find anything. So let's wait just a couple more seconds here and then get inside this Wilderness. Again, it's a 2022 with only 2,500 miles. LED headlights, LED taillights. We have the WRX motor on this one as well, so it's the flat 4 with the turbo. Top mount intercooler as well. And as you can see, the Wilderness is far better than any other Outback trim out there. We have gold on the shifter and gold on the steering wheel as well, with your gold stitching on all the seats as well. We have all automatic windows with carbon fiber trim on the door. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, start this car up. All the seats are power as well. On the left side, you'll find your volume controls and audio controls for the steering wheel. On the right side, you'll find all your eyesight assistance controls, such as lane proximity, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning and prevention, and more. Let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. As you can see, you have your updated Starlink infotainment system and display. This screen is absolutely massive. Once again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Starlink, TravelLink, My Subaru. Let's go ahead and click back home. Here you'll find your Subaru map, radio, media, phone, apps, car info. Let's go ahead and click on map. Make sure everything is working correctly. And as you can see, our location is indeed accurate. We are indeed in North Salt Lake, Utah. We are at 215 West, 500 North in North Salt Lake, Utah. Feel free to check us out in person to see our inventory or online at tdchapmanauto.com. So let's return here, take a look at our vehicle settings by clicking that little vehicle logo on the bottom. And you'll find vehicle control, driving assistance, X mode, cruise control, acceleration, auto vehicle hold, AVH, which basically means it'll set the vehicle, it'll set the brakes for you when you're in drive, when you're in like high traffic situations, in order to prevent your feet from getting tired. And it just overall helps with your daily driving experience, makes it far more comfortable. Here we have auto start stop, driving assistance. You'll find pre-collision braking, which is the also known as forward collision prevention. So ABS will kick in and brake for you if it senses you're about to collide with another vehicle or an immovable object as well. Lane departure prevention, warning volume, and then you can select your units as well. Going back home, you'll find your apps, like we just checked, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your AM, FM radio, your phone, which you have to be connected to Bluetooth, same for media, and then you can just add other shortcuts as you add apps to your screen. All right, here you can customize and select your user profile and customize your preferences. On the bottom, you'll find your heated seat settings, where you can select the temperature the seat gets warmed up to, turn it on, off, and select which areas of the seat get warmed and which ones don't. Here you can select your time settings as well for your clock. Same thing for passenger side here with the heated seats. Clicking here, let's go ahead and close this up. Clicking here where you see your fan, it is your climate control center on the bottom. By clicking here, you'll be able to select your fan speed, the direction of the fans, air conditioning, temperature, etc. On top will be your sunroof controls. As you can see, the sunroof is in fantastic shape, opening and closing perfectly, automatic as well. Let's go ahead and shut this for the reflection. Over here in the back, we have your classic gray on black, on dark gray actually, seats with your Wilderness trim all over them as well. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at those, and then take a look at our trunk space, spare tire, and more. Close our door here. As you can see, we have loads and loads of room in the back seats here. Here you have 1 and 2 heated rear seats with 1-2 levels as well, and 2 USB Type-A fast charging ports, and our beautiful super modern cabin view as well. Pulling this down behind you, you'll find 2 cup holder spaces. And now let's take a look at our trunk. As you can see, open is on its own. You can see your reverse camera over there on top as well. And you have this little cover for a trunk that you can just pull and return to its place, or you can pull and set it up to where it just goes up. Let's see if we can do it one-handed here, to where it just goes up. Let's do it on both sides now. Whoop. And it just returns to the top, and you're able to pull it down and set it to other positions, or just put it back like we just did. Over here on the bottom, you'll find your spare tire and tools, a full-size spare as well. The same Yokohama tire you'll find on all 4 wheels. 12-volt lighter adapter, some storage, some more storage, a handle to retract your seats. As you can see, they both come down just like that. And again, your automatic trunk. And there you have it, guys. It's our 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness Edition with only 2,500 miles. Available for sale here at TJ Chapman Auto, or you can check out the rest of our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com, or in person, again, at 215 West, 500 North in North Salt Lake, Utah.